Discover the extreme healing benefits of hydrogen water and hydrogen therapy. Visit fringeenergy.com for cutting-edge technology. And to see newly published videos, hit the subscribe button and notifications bell below.
How can hydrogen therapy help with diabetes? Well, that's going to be the topic that we're going to discuss today. Hi, I'm Tavon from hydrogenwater.info, where we bring to you the latest information on the health benefits of hydrogen water and hydrogen therapy. And today we have with us Valerie Robitaille, who is a holistic nutritionist holding an MS in human nutrition and a PhD in community health education and promotion. Hello, Valerie.
Hi, Tavon. Thank you for having me.
So, can you tell us a little bit about hydrogen therapy and diabetes?
Yes. So diabetes is a disease that is caused by oxidation. And we call the products that the body makes that are called oxidants reactive oxygen species. And this is the problem with diabetes as compared to other diseases that we've discussed in other segments of this series, where, for example, Parkinson's is the problem with Parkinson's is a cell signaling pathway gets shut down. So diabetes is a little the cause of it is a little different. It's people with diabetes are riddled with oxidants, and they destroy, they damage the cell because they go on the delicate cell membrane, go into the cell and actually change the DNA of the cell.
So when you were talking about earlier about Parkinson's, the signaling issue was with the brain, but like with diabetes, the cells with the problem with the oxidation, is that with the pancreas?
Diabetes type 1 is a problem with the pancreas because you're not making enough insulin. So the way that hydrogen works in diabetes type 1 is it helps the cells of the pancreas, which are called beta cells, to produce more insulin.
Wow.
And it does that through its super antioxidant effects on the cells. So it goes into the cell, because it's able to get into the cell because of hydrogen because of its small size and its charge. It goes into the cell and it pops off those oxidants that are in the cell. It's called a super antioxidant, and it turns those dangerous substances into water. Okay, so that's the way it helps type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is more of a case of lifestyle, and it happens to people later in their lives after they've had, quite a bit of damage already done. And it's a case of insulin resistance, where you're producing enough insulin, but because of all the oxidants that are in the body, the insulin isn't able to be brought into the cell, drop the glucose off in the cell, and the glucose is used as, it's the fuel, the food for the cell, for the mitochondria, to start to produce energy for the body.
Wow.
So that is being cut off in type 2 diabetes. So the effects of hydrogen therapy on type 1 diabetes, in summary, is that it helps the beta cells of the pancreas to create the appropriate amount of insulin. And in type 2 diabetes, it's helping all the cells in the body to be more receptive to the insulin that the body is carrying. The cell can recognize the insulin-glucose complex that's coming in because all of the oxidants around the cell, on the cell membrane, have been popped off and turned into water from hydrogen.
Well, that is amazing that hydrogen therapy can assist in the health, improving the health of someone that's suffering from both type 1 or type 2 diabetes.
Yes, and we have to remember that hydrogen goes everywhere in the body. And so it's going to help systemically. And that's a very important feature.
But that is fantastic.
And for this discussion, I'm referencing scientific peer-reviewed journals. Antioxidative water improves diabetes. Anti-diabetes effect of water containing hydrogen molecules and PT nanoparticles. Hydrogen improves glycemic control in type 1 diabetic animal model by promoting glucose uptake into skeletal muscle. You can reference these in our packet, our special packet.
Yes. Thank you, Val.
You're welcome.
And we also have a free research packet on hydrogen therapy that we think you're going to love. It is a collection of scientific studies from around the world about the effects and benefits of hydrogen therapy research for all kinds of ailments, and how it can help you and your well-being. So click on the link below to get your free hydrogen therapy research packet. And now to close out this video, we also have more information about the AquaCure machine and how it can help you and your well-being.
Hydrogen therapy and hydrogen water has been attracting a lot of attention from around the world for its amazing health benefits.
In Asia, they have hydrogen bars where people can sit down for hydrogen health treatments for the price of a cup of coffee.
In China and Japan, there's a list of hospitals that offer hydrogen therapy treatment to patients.
Hydrogen therapy is the future for health and wellness and is poised to be implemented by everyone, everywhere.
Imagine a world where every home has a hydrogen generator machine for their family's health and well-being.
Here is a list of the many ailments that hydrogen therapy can help with.
The AquaCure is a hydrogen generator that produces Brown's gas, also called hydroxy or HHO.
Hydroxy, as a gas, can be breathed into the body through a cannula or spot applied to areas of the skin.
You can also drink hydroxy-infused water or apply it topically to the skin.
Hydrogen therapy using the AquaCure has amazing, life-changing health benefits.
There are over 1,000 scientific studies showing the effects of hydrogen therapy on a variety of ailments.
The AquaCure is different from other hydrogen machines on the market in two distinct ways.
It produces the most therapeutic form of hydrogen therapy that involves electrolyzed water, where other machines do not do this.
It is built to be the safest hydrogen machine in the world.
The AquaCure is CE safety certified and is built to UL and CSA and Australian safety standards.
The manufacturer of the AquaCure will ship to any country all over the world.
And there is a 100% no questions asked 1-year money-back satisfaction guarantee.